In this video, I show you how to invite others to your Collaboard. Collaboard is most fun when working together in a team. Who can you invite to your Collaboard? It's quite simple. On the one hand, registered users, which can be free registered or registered users who have purchased a license. You can also give facilitator rights to users with a license. And of course, we also have the guests. They do not have to register. You can invite an unlimited number of users, registered or unregistered users, like guests, to your board. Now I'll show you how to do it. Click on the button at the top right here, the share button. Specify here which authorization you want to give to registered users and guest users. Determine when your invitation expires and optionally set a password. If this option is activated below, guests must enter a name before joining the board, and otherwise guests will be listed as guest 1, 2, and so on. In the next step, you can choose the way you want to share your invitation. Click Next. Option 1 is the link. Copy the link and share it with your team. If you specify in the first step that your invitation link should only be valid for a limited time, then is the link no longer valid from the specified expiration date, you can no longer access the project via it. If registered users have been invited, they can find the board to which they have been invited in their board list, provided they have logged in via the link. Option 2 is invite the others via email. This applies to both guests and registered users. You can also invite registered users on a personalized way. Only the addressees can view the board and edit it. Make sure not to allow guests users in the first step to fully control who can use this invitation to access your board. Here you also have the option to add a note to your invitation via email. Option 3 is a QR code. Download the code as a PNG file via the button, or right-click Save Images As, or simply copy the code. Now you know how to easily invite others to your board, and I wish you a lot of fun and happy collaboarding forever.